Hi everyone, welcome back to Geek Yorker. I am Ukpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence taking up too much storage on Mac. So to easily remove the data and free up space, first click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen and then select System Settings. After that on the settings page, click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now make sure to turn off the toggle right to Apple Intelligence, and this will immediately disable Apple Intelligence feature and also delete all Apple Intelligence data, and that will significantly reduce your Mac storage. But before that, after disabling, just restart your Mac once. And after restarting, go to General section, click on Storage, and from there you can check your MacBook storage and also Apple Intelligence storage. And you should now see that space used by Apple Intelligence has been completely cleared. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to Geek Yorker.